Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Today I'm tweaking scripts. That's about all you can do. It's so extremely hot. As a foreigner, I really can't take the extreme heat of the Philippines that well. Although Abel, which is down here doing housework, doing plants and gardening, he can take it, understanding he's Filipino. But what I've accomplished so far is with those tweaking of the scripts and the test shots and the filming we've done so far, it's allowed me to express more within each scene of what we're going to film. And we're going to relay that to each talent that's cast. And remember, if you don't even think you can act, we'll still take you here at Morbid Team Entertainment because we have a totally unique filming and acting style. Alright? Do subscribe to the Morbid Team Entertainment YouTube channel, the Morbid Team Entertainment group, barter, buy, and sell, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Alright? Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.